Hi, welcome to my latest video. In today's video, I want to share with you 5 AI-powered email marketing tools for 2026. Email still remain the highest return of investment marketing channel, but doing it manually is a waste of your time. AI now writes your subject lines, predict the best send time for every single subscriber, segment your audience automatically, and help you turn your list into real revenue. I tested and researched the 5 platforms every growing business should be looking at right now, one by one. The first one is Kit, best for creators and personal brand. Kit has a beta that helps you generate subject lines and email copies in a second. It also connects to an AI app stores with over 60 AI power ratings, design and automation tools. And for the more technical creators, Kit has something called the Kit MCP that lets you connect tools like Clouded, ChatGPT, Gemini directly to your subscriber data. So AI can pull insights and help you make smarter decisions about your list. So the price starts at that comes with free account, and the price starts from $39 per month. So the second on the list is Behave. Behave is the best for newsletter as a business. It has built-in AI assistant content suggestions, smart A/B testing, and audience insights that tell you what exactly driving opens, clicks, and subscribers growth. It also has a referral and monetization engine to make money from your list through paid subscriptions, sponsorships, and its own ad network. So it comes with free plan, and paid plan start from $49 per month. So the third on the list is HubSpot, best for businesses that want email tied directly into CRM and sales data. Its AI engine is called Breeze. Breeze AI can write entire email campaign for you, personalize content dynamically for each contact based on their CRM data, and even deploy AI agents that handle tasks like content generation and late follow-up automatically. Because HubSpot email marketing lives inside its CRM, the AI is not just guessing. It is using real data about what its contacts clicks, bought, or browse to personalize every single email. So it has a free plan, and the paid plan starts from $20 per month. So the fourth on the list is MoonSend. It's the best budget pick for serious automation, which include AI-powered written tools to generate email copy and subject line, plus a visual automation builder with dozens of behavior-based triggers. So we can build sequences that react to what a subscriber clicks, buys, or ignores. So it has a free plan also, and pays plan start from $9 per month. So the last on the list is Brevo, best for multi-channel businesses using emails, SMS, and chat together. Brevo AI Lab include predictive lead scoring, AI-powered audience segmentation, and content generation tools that help you write and optimize campaign. But its real superpower is that it unifies emails, SMS, WhatsApp, and live chat in one platform, and the AI can help you decide which channel to use for which customers based on their behavior. It comes with free plan, and paid plans start from $9 per month. So that's it. Every one of these tools use AI differently. Some focus on writing your email for you, some focus on predicting who to send to and when, and some focus on tying your email to real customer data. The right pick probably depends on where your business is stand right now. So in this video help you to figure out which AI email tool fit your business. You drop a comment on which one you are trying first. Please like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you.